morning. It's Monday morning, and we're at the Burger King on the run. Eating and drinking in the car. How much was it, Goose?
$9.29.
That's right. Okay, we're still in Torrance. This has got to be the world's largest Lamborghini, and it's an Alpine stereo store. And of course, Alpine is the original equipment. So somebody did a nice paint job. Exotic Auto Sales, right next to the big Lamborghini picture.
Dino.
Yeah, they have a yellow eyebrow.
Absolutely beautiful.
They found a spider.
Dino.
They have one in here.
Sheer beauty. Gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. This is a 70 Jag. Totally restored. Absolutely gorgeous. It's an original Spider, and it's bringing $1.5 million. Beautiful 330. Another Dino. Now, Jim, you'll appreciate this. This is an original piece of Lamborghini factory literature, and he wouldn't sell it to me. I tried. That Lamborghini picture now. Look at the detailing on this. Awesome detailing. Right down to the little push on the door handle. Gorgeous. Oh, there's a neon for you. Well, here we are in Newport Beach, another beautiful area. And they're an authorized dealer for Aston Martin, for Ferrari, and Jaguar. Beautiful white Testarossa being serviced. And 308s everywhere. Mondial. Very, very large service facility here. A lot of bays. About 30 cars here for service alone.
It's like the Italian happening all over again.
This is like the Italian half. Nice 328. Beautiful. Beautiful Porsche. Sure. Gorgeous Aston Martin.
I'm going to use the restroom.
We're all Torrance. We just happened into this place. Ed was just telling me the largest Ferrari dealer in the world.
We believe it. We said it was like the Italian happening outside.
Very strong business. Got a 7-year waiting list on Testarossas. We have a...
Did you say 7-year waiting list?
7 years. 4-year waiting list on the 328s, which will be replaced with the 348s.
Right.
We'll also have a 4-year waiting list on Mondial.
Children like that car.
It's beautiful.
Very strong market out here.
When does the 348 hit the market at?
It should hit November or December.
Do you think that'll make the 328s and 308s start to climb in price?
They're already being advertised out here by private parties for $140,000 and $145,000. With the window stickers, $84,780.
By the way, we've been talking to Ed Heinley. Ed, you made a very interesting comment about the Testarossa. What's going to happen there with that car?
Testarossa should appreciate to about $400,000 once they quit building it, because Giovanni Roselli, the plant manager at the Ferrari factory in Italy, he stated this a couple of years ago, that the car they'll never produce another flat 12-cylinder engine because it wastes too much space in the engine bay. This reason they'll make a V12, which is more usable space, and the car should get a good $400,000 real quickly once they quit producing. if not sooner.
When the car first came out, that was, I believe, 1985, right?
Correct.
That was about 85,000.
$90,170 was the first ones delivered in August of '85. That's when we received our first one.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Ed.
You're quite welcome.
Well, here's what we started out to see today on the way to the battleships and everything. The Newport Auto Center. There's the marks. They're the marks that they are new car dealers for. Pretty impressive. Lots of Rolls Royces. Two LM002s. One of them in a real nice red. Look at this place.
Guess how much a spec costs? Film it over here.
Beautiful Porsches.
Some sort of Porsche.
This is our area for Corvettes. This is a nice 959 kit. This is one of the really nice ones. They take a 911 and they put this bodywork on it. Anyway, Goose, at the dealer before this last one, we were talking to that nice guy on the Ferraris. What did he say? Who came in?
Eddie Murphy,
Eddie Murphy. And what did Eddie Murphy offer him?
$70,000 in his pocket,
Cash.
just to get him a Testarossa.
Right, nothing to do with the price of the car.
Right.
Right, and what did he say?
Couldn't get it for him.
Right.
There's a 7-year waiting list.
Right. Okay, we're on our way now, but this by far was the most beautiful car dealership we've seen. Just beautiful. No Lamborghinis, you notice, other than the LM002s. They cannot get product either.